In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lip-synced talking video in the Meta AI app. To get started, open the Meta AI app on your mobile device and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving on so you can access the chat and generation features without interruption. Once you're in the app, tap the chat box at the bottom of the screen to begin a new conversation. This is where you'll enter the instructions that tell Meta AI what kind of video you want to create. Now describe the character or person you want to appear in the video, and then explain exactly what you want them to say or perform. Try to be clear and direct here because the quality of the result depends heavily on how well you describe the scene. You're essentially guiding the AI like a creative director. As you write your prompt, make sure you clearly mention that the character should be speaking with synchronized lip movements. This is important because it tells the AI to focus on matching the mouth movements to the speech. A good example would be something like creating a video of a woman speaking to the camera with realistic lip sync, natural facial expressions, and smooth head movements. That kind of wording helps the app understand that you want the speech and visuals to feel believable. To improve the results even more, add details about the character's appearance, the background, the camera angle, the lighting, and the speaking style. For example, you can describe whether the person looks formal or casual, whether the setting is indoors or outdoors, whether the shot is close up or front facing, and whether the voice delivery should feel calm, energetic, or professional. These extra details help shape a more polished final video. When your prompt is ready, send it and wait for Meta AI to generate the video. Depending on the complexity of your request, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to process everything. After the video is generated, review the result carefully. Pay close attention to the mouth movements and check whether they match the speech naturally. Also notice the facial expressions and head motions since those details affect how realistic the final clip feels. If the lip sync isn't accurate enough, revise your prompt and make your instructions more specific. You can ask for clearer speech, a front-facing camera angle, and more realistic facial animation. Small prompt changes can often make a big difference. Keep refining the prompt until you get the result you want, and once you're satisfied, save or share the generated video using the options available in the app.